This dance is called Bondi Boots. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance with 2 tags and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Hold, then on the and count you bring the right beside the left and then step forward on the left. And then add on a rocking chair, right foot leading, rock forward, recover on the left, rock the right back, recover on the left. That set of steps once more. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, hold and step, rocking chair. Add on a jazz box quarter turn with a point. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on that left, quarter turn right, and then point the left to the side. Straight into a rolling vine to the left. So it's quarter turn left, you step forward on that left, half a turn left, you step back on that right, quarter of a turn left, you step the left to the side, touch that right beside the left. Now set of steps once more then, jazz box off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, point, turn, 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 touch. So you are doing the equivalent of a full turn in that rolling vine. So some of you might actually feel that that's negated a little bit by the quarter turn from your jazz box, but others might not. Now we always say where possible do try and put the turns in because the dances look so much better when they are in there. However, if you are struggling to get the turn in time to the music, or it's making you feel a bit dizzy or disorientated, there are some alternative steps that you can do. So start the same as everybody else with your jazz box. Cross, back, turn, point. Instead of doing a rolling vine, just do a normal vine to the left. So step the left to the side, cross the right behind, left to the side and touch. So non-turning steps should you need to take that full turn out from that section. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, hold and step, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, point, turn, 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 touch. Go into a chassé to the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, step in right to the side, left beside right, right to the side. Rock back on the left and recover. And repeat with the left foot. So chassé into the left, again 1 or 2 count timing steps, left to the side, right beside left, left to the side, and then rock back on that right, recover weight on the left. Now set of steps once more then, chassé off on the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, hold and step, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, point, turn, 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 touch. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Touch your right toe forward, then step on the right. So these are not toe struts. They're 2 separate movements. You're then going to repeat that with the left. You touch the left toe forward, then step down on that left. Then add on a right-footed rocking chair. So you rock forward on the right, recover on the left, rock back on the right, recover on the left. Now set of steps once more then. Toe, step, off on the right. 7, 8, toe, step, rocking chair. End of the dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, hold and step, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, point, turn, 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 touch. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, toe, step, rocking chair. That's your dance. The only and counts that are in there are in your chassés and in that little section at the beginning. Walk, walk, hold and step. 1, 2, hold 3, and as you bring the right beside the left, and then you step forward again on the left. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, hold and step, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, point, turn, 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 touch. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, toe, step, rocking chair. Walk, walk, hold and step, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, point, turn, 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 touch. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, toe, step, rocking chair. Walk, walk, and step, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, point, turn, 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 touch. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, toe, step, rocking chair. So that's your dance. Hopefully you managed to follow that, especially as I missed out the word hold in that last wall. Now there are 2 tags and 1 restart in this dance, and they all happen in the first 4 walls. So your tags are the same, and it's basically the first 4 counts of the dance. So it's your walk, walk, hold and step. That is your tag. Same timing. So if you forget where the tags are, just think of it as being a bit of a restart after 4 counts. So your tags come at the ends of walls 1 and 4. So you get the first tag right at the very start. So let's take you through wall 1. Add on the tag, restart, so you can see how it fits in. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, hold and step, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, point, turn, 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 touch. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, toe, step, rocking chair. Tag, walk, walk, hold and step. Restart. Walk, walk, hold and step, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, point. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits in. Your restart comes on wall 3, which is your 6 o'clock wall. You will basically do half the dance, so you will have done your rolling vine, and then you restart facing the side wall 9 o'clock. So let's take you up to 16 counts, wall 3 and restart. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, hold and step, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, point, turn, 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 touch. Restart, walk, walk, hold and step, rocking chair. So hopefully you can see how that one fits in. So that's it. End of wall 1, your tag, you'll be facing 3 o'clock. On wall 3, which is your back wall, 6 o'clock, halfway through the dance, rolling vine, restart facing 9. That becomes wall 4. End of wall 4, you have your next tag. So it's when you're back facing the front, you have another tag. Then all of that is over and done with, you just keep dancing to the end of the track. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, your tag and your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, six, seven, eight. Walk, walk, and step. Rocking chair, she tag walk. Cross, back, turn, point. Turn, 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 touch. Right, chasse, back, rock. Left chasse, back, rock. Toe step. Rocking chair, tag. Walk, walk, and step. Restart. Walk, walk, and step. Rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, points, turn, touch, right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock, toe step, rocking chair, walk, and step, rocking chair, restart, walk, cross, back, turn, points, turn, restart, walk, and step, rocking chair, tag, walk, cross, back, turn, points, turn, touch, right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock, tap, step, rocking chair, finish your time, walk, and step, restart, walk, jazz, chasse, toe step, walk, jazz, chasse, toe step, walk, jazz, chasse, toe step,
we got a whole lot of catching up to do. So put
walk,
your boots on, we're going out on the town.
jazz,
There's a dance floor, I wanna spin you around.
chasse,
Feeling that it's about to go down.
toe step,
Dive bar out on the edge of town. So put your boots on, we're going out on the town. There's a dance floor, I wanna spin you around. I got a feeling that it's about to go down. So come on, baby, won't you just put your boots on?
hope you managed that one.